So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to comment GIFs on Instagram, or GIFs, whatever you guys refer to it as. So once you have Instagram open up on your device, simply go to whatever post that you want to comment a GIF on. So I'm going to go to the search bar here at the bottom left. I press on the search bar. How about I search up the NBA? So I'm going to type in NBA, go to the NBA's page here. And if I wanted to comment on this pinned post right here about the play-in tournament, I just go to where it says comment and press on comment. Now where it says GIF right here, so right beside where you can type, it says GIF, press on GIF. So if you wanted to search up a GIF, how about I'll just search up happy, right? And there's a whole bunch of different happy ones. So if I wanted to do this one of a bunch of minions, I can comment that right there, and there you go. I now just commented this on Instagram with a GIF. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.